today's eye palette is the Nomad Fuji 5 Lakes. I'll be using this palette today. I'm going to mainly stay in the blue area, in the blues. And we'll see how it turns out. There are no pigments in these, but there are seed oils. So if you're allergic to that. Using MAC Paint Pot and Painterly. I had hardly any sleep last night, so if I'm not that chatty, that's what's going on. I'm gonna go into Mount Fuji. Oh, I got it from Refer. I got the Shoto brushes, 0, 2, and 3. They're made with goat hair. They look like that. And they're kind of made like a calligraphy, a Japanese artist's calligraphy pen when they draw the, you know, the lettering and things like that. I'm going to take the 03, which is like a crease brush. I'm going to go into Fuji, which is right here, and put that in my crease. These shadows are pretty pigmented. I'm not good working with color. So I try to maintain like a monochromatic look, you know? I'm gonna take the smaller Refer brush. I'm gonna go into this matte blue Fuji Goko. Looks like that. Try to add some depth. No, I take this brush from, it's BK Beauty A505. I'm gonna go into this shimmer, Kawaguchiko. I'm butchering these. It's this light blue right here. Different, it's bright. I have this red rowan. It's a tree. It looks like that. It's beige. It's got a little bit of red in it. I want to try to build it up through here. I'm gonna go in again and try it for the second time. Born This Way Soft Matte Oil Control. I'm gonna hit my under eyes with this Charlotte Tilbury corrector. Foundation worked out a lot better. I had moisturizer on and the serum doesn't feel as tight. I have this MAC blush and Blush Baby. Says it's sheer tone. Looks like that. Again, Tarte Man-Eater waterproof. It's not bad. It's pretty good. Stick I'm going to use is Hot Gossip. It's one of the ones that MAC brought back. And that's it. That's my look. I like videos like this because I like making them. I like the Nomad. The packaging is outstanding. It's textured. It's cardboard, but it's textured. It's so nice. I have to use this more than once. So it's good so far. I like it. Everything's pigmented. And it looks good. Well, if you like videos like this, please subscribe. It's free. It's free. And like, because that helps me be seen by other people. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.